It's hard to imagine a time when YouTube wasn't around, but indeed, it at one time was viewed as a fad. That soon became a haven for many. Because what many see as simple videos was eventually turned into a multi-billion-dollar platform that allowed many creators to go and make channels, express themselves, create new content never seen before, and more. And in today's day and age, you can go and do all sorts of things to make money on there, including a new fund that is specifically for those who want to do YouTube Shorts. So, allow us to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts. The fund. As of now, YouTubers in select countries can vie for a piece of the $100 million YouTube Shorts Fund, if their creations rise to the top of the heap of the most viral clips. Every month, YouTube says it will select thousands of eligible creators to claim a payment from the fund, which marks the first step in its efforts to monetize the short-form, TikTok-like video feature. Creators who meet the criteria can make anywhere from $100 to $10,000 based on viewership and engagement of their shorts, which can be up to 60 seconds in length. The $100 million YouTube Shorts Fund will be distributed through the remainder of 2021 and into 2022. YouTube says it will notify creators who qualify for a bonus payment from the Shorts Fund the second week of each month in the YouTube app. They will then have until the 25th of the month to claim the bonus payment before it expires. YouTube Shorts launched globally earlier this year after earlier rollouts in the US and other countries, latching on to the huge popularity of ByteDance's TikTok app, which also has been copied in Instagram's Reels and Snapchat Spotlight. Google says YouTube Shorts has quickly become a worldwide hit. The feature now generates more than 15 billion global daily views, up from 6.5 billion in March. Alphabet/Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced. For now, only creators in 10 countries are eligible to receive YouTube Shorts Fund payments. The US, UK, Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, Nigeria, Russia, and South Africa. We plan to expand eligibility to more countries/regions soon, YouTube says. Performance and payments. All of a creator's YouTube Shorts videos will count towards their short performance each month that they receive views, not just the month they were uploaded. The bonus payment amounts will be adjusted based on a channel's total Shorts performance and their audience's location. The level of performance needed to qualify for a bonus payment may differ between creators, based on audience location, for example, and may change from month to month due to fluctuations in audience location and the number of creators making shorts, YouTube says. With the launch of the Shorts Fund, creators now have 10 different ways to make money on YouTube. In addition, the YouTube Partner Program for ad revenue sharing, those are revenue sharing from YouTube Premium, channel memberships, Super Chat, Super Stickers, Super Thanks, merchandise sales, concert ticketing, and YouTube Brand Connect, previously known as FameBit, to connect creators with sponsors. YouTube has evolved from being just a place where people upload and share videos, Robert Kinsel, YouTube's chief business officer, wrote in a blog post today. It's now a destination where creators can find new audiences, connect with fans in different ways, and build growing businesses. To qualify for payouts from the Shorts Fund, channels must have uploaded at least one eligible short in the last 180 days. They must also conform to YouTube's community guidelines, copyright rules, and monetization policies. In addition, creators must be 13 or older in the US or the age of majority in their country/region, and must accept terms of the program and link to an active Google AdSense account to receive the bonus payments. Excluded from payment eligibility are YouTube Shorts that include non-original content, such as videos re-uploaded from other channels, as well as videos with watermarks or logos from third-party social platforms. How to make a short. Making a short is simple. If you have a YouTube channel already, the feature is already available to you if you live in the US or India. It will likely arrive soon in other places. If you don't have a channel yet, you can easily start one for free. Once your channel is live, download the YouTube app to your phone, open it, and press the large plus sign at the bottom of the app to create a new piece of content. You should see a button to create a short. Press the button, and the short camera will open. You can hold down the red button and take a 15-second vertical video right away. You can also click the gallery at the lower left to open your phone's gallery and select a video you shot before. I tend to shoot my videos in advance outside the YouTube app, edit them in Adobe Premium Rush, and then upload them from the gallery. You can switch to selfie mode, adjust the recording speed, or add music. Music in particular is an area where YouTube should have a strong advantage. TikTok allows creators to embed clips, but YouTube works directly with artists or agencies in many cases, which likely gives it the potential to negotiate better terms with artists and to include a broader range of songs in the future. You can also remix audio from a variety of YouTube videos. Once you've shot or selected your video, you can add several features, including block letter text, which appears over your video. Adjust the duration by using the timeline button. You can also trim your video, removing either the beginning or end, and add filters. These are standard features across nearly all short-form vertical video apps. At launch, Shorts has far fewer features than industry leader TikTok, but you can expect YouTube to add more quickly. Finally, you provide a caption for your short, up to 100 characters, and publish it. Your short will go live and appear alongside the other videos on your channel. What to create? What does best? What kind of content should you create for your shorts? YouTube has a detailed guide which gives some ideas and inspiration. Firstly, the guide says that one goal of shorts is to enable the next generation of creators. So try and appeal to those who are on TikTok a lot. The guide also describes shorts as bite-sized storytelling and talks about the joy of short-form video. Again, there are several clues there. Storytelling is absolutely key. Vertical video in general, and TikTok in particular, thrive on many narratives which you can consume in 30 to 60 seconds. Maybe that's a dance-off, a pet getting dressed in their Halloween costume, a person receiving and unboxing a product, or you learning something important about your industry. So too is the idea of joy, joyfulness, in the form of dancing, funny stunts, exciting new products, and the like, is a big theme on TikTok. And it appears that Shorts is focusing on the idea of joyful content too. As a creator, that suggests that you should focus Shorts on upbeat, easily shareable topics related to your channel's overall topic area. Shorts also focuses on mobile-first creation. As the guide points out, the first YouTube video was a short clip with a mobile aesthetic taken at a zoo. Since then, YouTube videos have become increasingly polished and produced. That makes for great content in some contexts, but it can also alienate low-budget or brand-new creators who worry that if they don't have the perfect thumbnail or a professionally edited video, they can't succeed on YouTube. Shorts appear to be intentionally challenging those assumptions, encouraging creators to make content quickly and to keep things raw. One important tidbit. YouTube suggests adding metadata to your shorts after you upload them, including a full description. They also encourage you to add the hashtag shorts to your video's title, and they say not to add a custom thumbnail to your shorts, since it won't appear anywhere that shorts are shown. None of this is obvious from the Shorts interface. The guide provides some additional best practices for shorts. If your channel isn't a fit for short-form content, YouTube encourages you to create a dedicated new channel for shorts instead. They say you can publish shorts as often as you like, but imply that daily shorts content would be nice, saying frequent publishing can be beneficial. Subscribers who elect to receive notifications from your channel won't get notifications when you publish a short, so there's no concerns about overwhelming them with new content. The guide also says to spice it up by adding enhancements like creative lighting, costumes, or locations to your shorts. Again, the emphasis is on mobile video, so going on location and shooting with your phone is very much encouraged. The guide also encourages creators to grab the attention of the viewers while they scroll, hooking them within the first few seconds of your video. If you're used to conventional YouTube, where a 5 to 10 second intro is fine, then change your strategy. Drop the intro and dive right into your short, or do something dramatic up front and then introduce yourself after you have your viewers' attention. Have at it, have fun, and go make some money. So, what do you think? What do you think of this look at YouTube Shorts and how you can go and make money off of it? Do you think that you'll want to go and participate in this? Or do you think that the regular way is the best way to go? Do you know someone who has made good money off of YouTube? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time on the channel.